Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see SQL Inner Join. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. SQL Inner Join are used to join the data or records of two or more tables. So we will understand with the help of one Venn diagram. So this is our table 1 and this is our table 2. So when you apply inner join on both the tables or more than two tables, then it will filter out the record where the matching condition is there. Suppose table 1 contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ID and table 2 contain 1, 2, 3 ID only. So the common IDs are 1, 2, 3 only. So it will filter out the record that is 1, 2, 3. So it will select the common records from both the tables and will filter out and will print as an output. So this is all written over here. SQL Inner Join are used to join the data or records of two or more tables which is based on matching values in both the tables. So only the matching value will be print out or will be filtered out. Now we will understand this SQL Inner Join with the help of one basic example. You can see that we are currently in localhost PHP myadmin. There is one database with name Letsfindcourse. There are three tables in which we apply join on two tables, that is customer and orders. Customer table contain ID, name, age and salary. So there are four records in the customer table, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will see what is there in order table. In order table there is order ID, customer ID, amount and order date. Now if we apply inner join on both the tables, that is customer and order, then what will happen? It will first select the first record and select the ID equals to 1. Now it will go to the customer table and search if its ID 1 is there or not. Yes, ID 1 is there, so it will select this record for this 100 order ID. Now it will come to the next record, that is 100 order ID equals to 101, and it will see what is the customer ID. Customer ID is 4. Now it will go to the customer table and see the customer, what is the name of customer ID 4, that is Mohammed, age is 50 and salary is 25,000. Now for 101 order ID, Mohammed will be selected. Now for 103 record, it will see what is the customer ID, that is customer ID is 4 only. So what will happen? It will go to the customer and see who is there for ID 4, that is Mohammed only. Now it will go to the order and see is there any more record or there or not. So there is no more record. So there will be only 3 records that will be filtered out if we apply inner join. That is 1, 4, 4. For 1 there will be Arab, for 4 there will be Mohammed, and for 103 there will be Mohammed again. So in this way inner join will work. Now we will see with the help of one basic example. We will go to the edit inline. This will be our query. It will select order ID from order table, order customer ID from order table, amount and order date from this table, and name, age and salary from customer table where order, and this will be our alias name. O will be used, as you can see, O, and inner join customer, and for customer alias name will be C name, C dot name, C dot age and C dot salary, and we will apply where customer ID is equal. So it will select a customer ID from order and from customer ID from customer, and if the value are matched, then only it will filter out the records. So when you go with this query, as we have expected, this will print only 3 records. Order ID will be 100, customer ID is 1, amount is this, order date is this, name will be Arab, age will be 35 and salary will be 32,000. In a similar way, for it will be there 401 and 103 record, that is Mohammed. So in this way inner join will work in SQL. This is a basic video regarding inner join. You can also apply this functioning in your localhost PHP myadmin and can clear your concept. For this video, this is it. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with everyone who wants to learn SQL. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.